me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget?
Guys, happy Friday and welcome back to this week's video cleaning motivation. Today we're going to be doing sock matching, shirt folding, and living room cleaning. I also did my daughter's hair and took the trash out.
And this is Henrietta's husband, investor slash executive producer, and I would like to say, actually, this is my channel. Welcome to I Am Supernatural Mom slash I Am Supernatural Husband. Now, anyways, she's amazing. Y'all follow, like, subscribe, all that good jive. Holla at y'all later.
So I did fold some clothes, but I didn't put that on record. But I did want to show you guys my t-shirt drawer. I ended up doing the Konmari method, and I'm telling you, I am so pleased by the way it turned out. And I just feel so good because I got rid of things that wasn't bringing me happiness and joy. And I just hope you guys be inspired to do the same. I want to be able to get dressed and look at my clothes very pleasing and be like, yeah, this was easy to pick out because I love easy methods.
I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure.
As a mom of two girls, I do have to stop and do certain things like feed them and nourish them and keep them occupied. And so I had to make sure I cooked my daughter some food. I gave her the little TV dinner. I needed something really, really quick. And then my 11-year-old, she went ahead and ate some ramen noodles. And I was like, okay, I just need you guys to do something quick because Mama needs to finish this little quick project. And so just spring cleaning, my idea is to have everything more pleasing looking, simple looking, and grab and go.
Where you wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smile, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the woo girls doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying,
I got rid of so many shirts and I feel so good about it. I really prefer to wear my own custom shirts that give me the joy.
no, baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total
Wasn't that nice? My husband said something in the video that really got me showing all my little teeth. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you missed last video, I did a whole clean with me video with a checklist and some deep cleaning, spring deep cleaning. And so I hope you guys get motivated and just keep pushing and keep going and stay organized. It's very healthy to have it in your home and in your mind too.